Hello dear fans. How to have a geography lesson in a playful way. It is known that non-traditional forms of lessons help school children to better memorize material, arouse interest in the subject, teach to work with various sources of information, train the ability to work in a team, and activate creative thinking. Moreover, when studying such a subject as geography, a lot of educational material can be submitted in a playful way. Instructions. Step 1. For children who have only recently begun to study geography, travel lessons are suitable. Together with the teacher, they can visit all countries and continents of the planet. The travel lesson is suitable for both the study of a geographical and a political map. If in the first case, during a trip to the country, children will learn what the capital is called, what the country is famous for, what its climate is, what sites and minerals there are, then in the second case, children need to be given information about the form of government in the country and the composition of its population. Travel lessons are also suitable for studying the terrain. You can take your kids on a hike, picking and climbing the highest peaks of mountain ranges, memorizing their names and heights along the way. It is great if the travel lesson is accompanied by the display of photographs of the places you are exploring. Step 2. For older students, you can arrange a conference where the children are divided into teams. A representative of each team will make a presentation on the problem of ecology and propose developed methods to solve these problems. Step 3. Conduct a quiz, during which students will receive money for correct answers, cards that they can later exchange for a grade or redeem from you the right to use the textbook once for the test. Step 4. Try, if possible, to conduct lessons in the fresh air, work with visual material. For example, it is better to learn cloud types not by drawing, but by going outside. On excursions, children can also be explained by what signs scientists register the wind speed, and how they fill in the observation diaries. Step 5. As a homework assignment, invite the children to compose crosswords on the topic covered. Then the next lesson will begin with you not with the banal, we close the textbooks, take out the leaves, but with an interesting and creative task, in the solution of which everyone will be happy to take part. Thanks for watching.